Hazardous waste removal contractors need to be totally ready for environmental dangers like asbestos fibers, lead paint dust, and chemical spills, because these are no joke and can mess up health and safety big time. When you're dealing with asbestos fibers, you gotta make sure you're wearing the right protective gear like respirators and disposable coveralls so you don't end up breathing that stuff in. For lead paint dust, it's all about wet methods to keep the dust from flying everywhere, plus using HEPA vacuums to clean up properly after chemical spills. You want to have spill kits ready with absorbents and neutralizers depending on the chemicals involved, and always keep an eye on proper ventilation. Labeling and storing hazardous waste safely is major, so there's no accidental exposure or contamination. Also, training is key. Everyone on site should know what to do if things go south. Keeping emergency contacts handy and having a clear cleanup plan saves a ton of stress later. And don't forget disposing of stuff according to local regulations, because cutting corners here can lead to serious fines or worse. Staying organized and careful really keeps everyone safe when handling this kind of hazardous waste. One of the biggest mistakes hazardous waste removal contractors make is underestimating how dangerous asbestos fibers are, which can lead to improper handling. The fix is strict use of protective gear and following containment protocols. Another common issue is not controlling lead paint dust properly, often causing contamination beyond the worksite. Always use wet methods and high-efficiency particulate air vacuuming to keep dust down. Lastly, chemical spills often catch people unprepared because they don't have the right spill kits or training. Having a spill response plan and specific neutralizing materials makes all the difference in stopping hazards fast. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who specialize in safe hazardous waste removal, making it easier to find pros you can rely on. Contractors also get a steady stream of work through the platform, helping them grow their business while keeping neighborhoods safe.